Do you know Hager Group? Let's have a look. At first glance, we deliver electrical solutions for buildings. But we are more than that. We protect offices, homes, and families. We make electrical solutions safe and simple, every day, everywhere. Since the beginning, we've never lost our family spirit. We transform individuals into teams. We give our employees the opportunity to reach their full potential and inspire them to grow with us. Driven by authenticity, courage, and integrity, we are big enough to matter and small enough to care. Whatever the time, whatever the need, we are always at your side. We are reliable partners to build strong relationships with. We're shaping tomorrow's electrical world to make our planet safer, cleaner, and more enjoyable. Step by step, we are solving the challenges of our times together. We are Hager Group.